Good morning and welcome to the Crawford County Board of Commissioners meeting for August 28th. We're going to start with the Pledge of Allegiance with Commissioner Shell.
All rise. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Scott. I need approval of the minutes from the full session on August 15th, 2024.
So moved.
Second.
And properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 Any approval of the minutes from the work session on August 21st, 2024?
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And the approval of payment bills in the amount of $4,342,327.35 for the period ending August 27th, 2024.
So moved.
Second.
And properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 There were no executive sessions. Any public comment? Okay, we'll start with the juvenile probation.
Morning, Commissioners.
Hi,
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm here to request the approval of the MobileCom Security Customer Support Plan for services which provides labor, hardware, and software for our department's video security system. The annual cost of the support plan is $488.98, and it's a budgeted item.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 Thank you. And this is to request the approval of the Juvenile Court Judges Commission Juvenile Probation Services Grant JJSCS Implementation Plan. It's effective from July 1 of '24 through June 30th, 2025. The amount of the grant is $118,070, and it's allocated to support our JJSCS strategy within our department.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. all.
Adult probation.
Morning,
Hi, Trevor.
First on the agenda here is to ratify the approval to purchase 7 point-blank ballistic panels from Whitmer Public Safety Group in the amount of $594.74 each for the total of $4,163.18. And these were a budgeted 2024 item.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 And next is requesting signature for a 36-month-long rental cost agreement with AMS, which stands for Alcohol Monitoring Systems Incorporated, for adult probation, parole, house arrest, electronic monitoring equipment. The proposed pricing schedule is in accordance with CoStar's contract.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 Thanks, Trevor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The correctional facility.
Morning, Commissioners.
Morning.
Morning,
Morning.
Jack.
This morning, I'm looking to get ratified the purchase of 2 Dell Top desk computers. Replacements are needed for computers that were damaged during a storm. The replacement price is $1,743.60.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 Secondly, I'm looking to get approved or renew the 1-year service agreement for Global Corrections. The yearly fee is $4,600, and this is a budgeted item.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 Thank you.
Thanks, Morgan.
The
Thank you.
courts.
Good morning.
morning.
Hi, Heidi.
We're seeking to ratify a change of position title from pro se litigant assistant to self-represented litigant assistant and court admin assistant.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Heidi.
Public safety.
Morning, Greg.
Hi, Greg.
Greg?
Asking for approval of the payment of $14,231.25 to Elk County. That'll be for our portion of our annual licensing costs for our dispatch protocols.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 Thank you. And asking to approve the payment of $2,358.56 to the Scobell Company for an annual maintenance agreement for our HVAC system.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
County
Greg.
maintenance.
Morning.
Hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Ask and ratify issuing the notice to proceed on the rehab of Mercer Street Bridge deck, bridge number 16.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Is there a date?
Next Tuesday on the 3rd.
Next.
We put in a nice write-up in
Okay.
the Tribune.
I suppose we probably ought to
Notifying
ratify
everyone.
this. Yeah.
We'll see how that works.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the best we can do.
Roll call. Yes.
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 Good luck.
Yeah. Ask and ratify approval to pay a Spader Company to relocate a gas line for the roofing project at the correctional facility for $722.97.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks.
County planning.
Morning, Commissioners.
Good morning.
Zach.
All right, not bad, only to age.
Only the age. First item this morning, we're asking for approval for a payment to Ferguson Construction Company for reimbursing $720 of training wages. This is paid for out of the whole home repair program.
So moved.
Second.
Been probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 We're requesting approval for payment to Vogue Heating and Cooling for reimbursement of $1,280 for training wages associated with the same program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 We're requesting approval to pay an invoice from Porter Consulting Engineers in the amount of $1,045.03 for engineering services with the Heidi Cooper Park project. This is paid for out of CDBG CV3.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 We're requesting approval for a pay application for XL Excavating in the amount of $93,377.70 for construction services for the same project. This is again paid for out of the CDBG CV3 program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 We're requesting approval of pay application number 2 from Blooming Valley Landscapes and Supply in the amount of $1,119.
Say it one more time.
Let me get my tongue
Okay.
pulled together here. $119,592.01. That's for the Carl Gurdon Park project and is paid for out of our CDBG program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 We're requesting approval for a contract between Crawford County Sturdy Boots and homeowner number 4 for home repairs associated with the whole home repair program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 We're asking for approval for a contract between Crawford County Fuller Building Group and the homeowner number 9 for home repairs with the whole home repair program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 And then finally, we're requesting approval of a resolution adopting Crawford Inspired with the county's 2024 comprehensive plan.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion?
It's an incredible amount of work, and we have a lot of work ahead of us to do.
Yeah.
So it's an exciting time.
Roll call. Yes.
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 Thank you.
Very much, gentlemen.
Human Services.
Good morning.
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 Sue.
I'm seeking approval of the Child Welfare Information System Data Sharing Agreement. This agreement establishes the terms and conditions in which CWIS will disclose and exchange certain information to the county children and youth agencies via their case management system.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 I'm requesting approval of the MATP initial allocation. The MATP initial allocation for fiscal year 24-25 is $879,630. We utilize this funding to pay Meadville Medical Center for MATP services, and there's no county match on MATP funding.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 I'm seeking approval of the county assurance of financial commitment and participation for the needs-based plan and budget. This assurance is the county's commitment to pay their portion of the proposed allocation for fiscal year 25-26.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? I guess we'll discuss shortly. This is a problem statewide that the state is, if they don't do some changes to how they fund human services, it's going to put the burden back on the county. It's certainly nothing to do with Human Services or JPO or the courts. It has to be done. But if they don't make a change, then the counties are going to bear the burden of this cost, and that's unfortunate. I do sit on the Human Services Committee for the state for CCAP, and every county says the same exact thing, and they're sounding the same alarm, but they're really, no one's really listening. So I hate to say that, not just on the mental health side, but on this side. And so I appreciate all the work that you guys have done. We're going to come over today and finish it up and get it ready to go out the door, but there's no fault of yours. But the state of Pennsylvania either needs to take Human Services and JPO and the process we do for children seriously, or it's going to put the burden back on the taxpayers. And it's a concern of mine, a huge concern. So, but thank you for your work.
Thank you.
Roll call. Yes.
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 I'm seeking approval of the purchase requisition to Dell Incorporated for a replacement laptop. The total cost is $1,138.25. The cost to the county is $246.34.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 I'm seeking approval of the purchase requisition to Parkside Psychological Associates for CIT training and preparation from 4/29/24 to 5/17/24. The total cost is $2,610. There is no cost to the county, paid through the CIT grant funds.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 I'm seeking approval of the fiscal year 24-25 grant contract with Meadville Medical Center for the Medical Assistance Transportation Program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 I'm seeking approval of the fiscal year 24-25 CYSJP contract with Center for Family Services for in-home counseling, parenting education, loss of child, homemaker education, anger management, and peer support advocacy program. These are the same services as fiscal year 23-24.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 Seeking approval of the fiscal year 24-25 CYSJP contract with Justice Works Youth Care Incorporated for their Violation Initiative Program, short-term outreach to prevent placement, Just Care, Why Try, truancy remediation and diversion, nurturing parenting, and nurturing parenting for families in substance abuse treatment and recovery programs. The first three services are the same services that we contracted for in fiscal year 23-24. Two truancy and parenting services are new.
Okay. So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Finance.
Good morning.
Morning.
For your approval, I have one invoice. It's to Remedy Analytics. It's invoice number 172260004. It's our quarter 2 2024% of pharmacy savings in the amount of $44,813.40.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 Thank you.
Thank you. On behalf of the Opioid Settlement Committee, we'd like to ratify awarding $75,000 to Star Marketing to create and manage the campaign specifically targeting the dangers of opioid abuse.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Also, from the Opioid Settlement Committee, approval of amendment to Prime Care to administer the MAT program, the Medical Assistance Treatment Program at the Crawford County Jail, in the amount of $134,296.56. That's for a period of 12 months. That does not include the actual medicine for the program. That's the administrative and the personnel costs.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Yes.
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 The treasurer.
Good morning.
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 Hi, Christine.
I'm here to ask for approval for payment of the 2024 tax upset sale ad in the Meadville Tribune in the amount of $7,191.25, and this is a budgeted item.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Thank you.
The commissioners.
Requesting ratification of the payment to Civic Vanguard for GIS technical support from the period of 7/1/24 to 7/31/24 in the amount of $2,430.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Okay, we have some new hires in your packet.
Move for adoption.
Second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry,
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Some commissioner information and updates. The courthouse will be closed on September 2nd for Labor Day. The next work session will be September 4th. The next full session will be September 11th. Commissioner comments. Commissioner Seeley.
Not much, just it was a great conclusion to the Crawford County Fair. We had great numbers, and certainly it appeared everybody enjoyed themselves. Just wishing everybody a safe and happy Labor Day weekend.
Commissioner Shell.
Yeah, PennDOT has recently issued a thing on bicycle safety. In 2023, there was 1,100 bicycle crashes in Pennsylvania, resulting in 27 fatalities. The law clearly states that when you pass a person on a bicycle, you have to give them 4 foot of leeway. So keep that in mind. We're still in good weather, and a lot of people out bicycling. And there's your safety tip of the day.
Okay, and I'm just going to touch again on the funding issues we have. And Sue has reached out to our legislators before, and I'm going to ask her to at least reach out to them again. It's awfully interesting to me that you create the budget, but you don't take the time to learn about human services. So if you're going to create a budget that directly impacts counties, I strongly suggest you spend some time with Sue and the staff, and even Holly from the JPO side, so you can understand what all these folks go through every year. These costs for placements are going up, the costs for services are going up, and I think that it's on them to at least learn a little bit more about human services and how it operates. Otherwise, when we ask for budget allocations and adjustments, they're not going to make any changes. So we are going to reissue those requests to come sit down. We'll buy you lunch and talk about human services and all the things that are affecting us negatively. Because if we don't do it, we're going to be strapped for tax increases in the future without any adjustment. So with that being said, I would take a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned. Thank you. All right, we're going to bring the salary board to be in order for August 28th. I need a motion to approve the minutes from August 15th meeting.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. There was one executive session on August 15th for the correctional facility in regards to wages. And now the correctional facility, please.
This morning, we're gonna motion to ratify the rate for emergency transfer Renee McElhaney full-time to full-time admin captain, transferring from full-time lieutenant, replacing Christy McCoon, effective 8/12/24 at the rate of $26.40, with an additional 25 cents per hour after a 90-day probationary period.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried.
Secondly, ratify the rate for the emergency rehire of Joseph Oliva, per diem correction officer, adding to the list effective 8/21/24 at the set by 4/25/24 salary board at $17 per hour.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed?
No.
No.
Thank you.
Any other information for the salary board? Okay, not entertain motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned. Thank you. All right, so you start the retirement board meeting for August 28th, 2024. Approve the minutes of the August 15th meeting.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Motion carried. There were no executive sessions, and we're ready for Eugenia.
I make the motion for Delberta Bergman, formerly a public defender, to withdraw retirement with a start date of 5/15/24, last date paid in interest through 8/9/24.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Motion carried.
Next, I make the motion for Philip Jones Jr., formerly of the Correctional Facility, to begin retirement with a start date of 4/18/2014, last date paid in interest through 7/31/24.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. Any other business for retirement board? If not, I entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned. Thank you.